Hey, sorry, who are you?
Sorry, ma, I am the plumber.
Oh, the plumber?
Yes, ma.
My husband. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry, okay. In the toilet. Let's check.
In the toilet.
Yeah. This is the tap. So this tap is not, the water is not running well, even the sink. So it's not like this. This toilet, we need a cover. My husband explained everything to you, right?
Yes.
This shower,
Yes.
the shower, the cover. There's no cover in it that can filter the water. You know, you can start the work. And this one. Yes, you can start the work. Just start the work from this thing. I can stand here and be watching you. Oh, let me help you. Oh, you don't. Let me help you, okay? Don't worry, start the work. Oh, okay. From. Yes, need to. Yeah. Yes. This one. Yes.
I think you need to bring this place.
Yes.
Look at this. Yes, okay, oh, I've seen it.
Okay.
Yes,
Like,
see this place.
like the way you turn it, right?
Yes.
Yes.
You see this place? We
And
need to change the angle. Madam, are you focusing?
yes, I'm looking.
Yes, we need to change the angle. That means,
Do you come? My husband.
yes, okay. I've seen everything. I'll start the work maybe tomorrow. Because a lot of work.
I'll come outside.
Very lot of work.
Hey, plumber.
Yes.
Go and wear your clothes. Don't worry. You said tomorrow, right?
Yes.
And wear your clothes.
Okay, what you get from me?
Yes, so I'm very nice. So just put on your clothes. Yes.
This husband does not know what he have.
Yes, sir.
This husband being you now.
Yes, so my husband is okay. Yes, my husband is okay. The only thing is that I mean this one no be totally for God. I mean only for God. God no fit do am. This one God no dey do am. God na holy man. This one.
Take my leave.
Boss, you no fit take your leave like that now.
I've seen the work now.
You no fit take your leave like that. Boss, abeg follow me. Abeg, bros, follow me now. Boss, abeg follow me.